The Inca and Egyptians of past millennia will either be in awe or scoff at the way we choose to move big rocks, but there's no doubt Greymouth's MBD Contracting have nailed it for the needs of our time. This month we check out one of their latest DAF CF 530s. Greymouth-based MBD Contracting is a civil contracting firm servicing the entire west coast and parts of Canterbury. They specialise in moderate to large-scale civil work, earthworks, quarrying and rock protection, including a lot of infrastructural resilience projects and subsurface roading. They are a slick, immaculately presented operation and a proud west coast homegrown brand. Formed in 2007, directors Darren Richardson and Ben Haddock are two of the original founders. MBD Contracting have sampled a number of truck brands in their 17-year journey to date, but it's Southpac's product offering that has found sustained favour in recent years. We were here to spend 2 days in one of the company's 12-month-old DAF CF 530 6x4s with new Hardocks body and matching 4-axle trailer built by Guy Norris Engineering. Driver of the unit was Sean Cozzy Costello. He has been with the company 5 years, a career truckie and a thoroughly good bloke, so typical of the breed. We were going to join others from the MBD team at a rail embankment fortification job on the Taramacau River directly beneath the historic Jackson's Tavern. But first we loaded at the MBD operated Wainini Quarry about 14 kilometres east of Coomera Junction on State Highway 73. The CF pulled its Guy Norris trolley with minimal spin on the well matured but dew slick access road down to the rock loadout. Sitting in an MBD truck while it's being loaded with multi-ton boulders, we can tell you right now it's a cab party. And that's no slight on the superb operation of the digger by Bailey Hibbs either. It's just what happens when a rock weighing a tonne or more is placed on the deck, sometimes needing a little encouragement just to sit in the preferred riding position. Once loaded, Cozzy descends the road back down to State Highway 73, the MX engine and exhaust brake combo providing the required assistance. And at 45 tonne, the CF 530 at 390 kilowatts, 530 horsepower and 2600 newton metres, 1920 pound-foot of torque has little trouble bolting away from the quarry gates and up the valley 14 or so kilometres to the tip-off site at Jackson's. The 16-speed tracks on overdrive AMT picks its way through the gears and it's all very smooth. Basically driving along a river valley toward the main divide, so we're going slightly uphill, but there is no real work and the MX-13 does that thing that it does incredibly well, dipping to 1000 RPM in 13th or 14th to crest the odd lazy rise. The ride is fine also, although understandably not like a big curtain cruiser set up for line haul. It's a day cab and the DAFs are also shod with fat front feet to optimise loading. And of course, added to that is the incredibly dense, large, point-loaded payload sitting right behind you. And inside it's such a simple cockpit with car-like feel and look, and clean in terms of control clutter. DAF seem to have it all without looking busy. Now it's onto the access road that runs off Lake Brunner Road, under the rail bridge as we head towards Rodney Thompson's Hitachi digger about 2 kilometres away. And the quality of the access road is instantly apparent, in many ways a work of art, with a well-compacted surface and gravel buns along both edges. It needs to be a workable surface until the job end, at which time the site must be returned back to its natural state. There's just the right amount of bling on the Guy Norris Engineering gear as well. Classy while retaining the essential practicality the job demands. The bins are all constructed of Hardocks steel with 8mm thick floor wear plates, hydraulic gear is all Edbro, and the trailers run SAF disc brake axles and air suspension. The units also have those modern day companions you just can't live without. SI low deck onboard scales and Bigfoot central tyre inflation. Everything on MBD's truck and trailer bodies is beefed up, and it has to be strong to withstand the punishment, says Guy Norris as we caught up with him. If it's not Hardocks, it's high tensile. To the MBD crew, a full jackknife tip is your primary tool of the trade, just like a drop saw for a chippy. Hooked around and trailer hoist up, and Barney Rubble and his friends were gone. Forward, reverse, into another inside-out jackknife, and before you know it, the truck was empty as well. And then watching MBD veteran Rodney Thompson gently and quickly place and key the rocks into position was nothing short of breathtaking, to be frank. If we had a pie and a beer and a deck chair, we'd happily have sat there all day watching the proceedings. But there were more loads to do, so we're off back to Bailey for another one. To To read the full story on MBD's shiny DAF CF 530 6x4 rigid, complete with Guy Norris engineering fit-out, then catch a copy of the August 2024 issue of New Zealand Trucking Magazine, or read a digital copy, see the links below. And remember to hit those like and subscribe buttons to be notified of fresh new content as we upload it for you. Have a fantastic month out there, take care and travel safe.